Hi guys, I Aziz welcome you to CoedMaster, and in this video I am going to talk about inheritance. In this video I will explain what is inheritance and what is the idea behind inheritance and what was the actual problem that is solved by inheritance in object-oriented programming. So if you are willing to learn inheritance in detail, then this video is for you. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright guys, let's begin this video. So guys, in this video I am using the same examples as I discussed in the previous video. So for those who have not watched previous video, I highly recommend to watch the previous video first and then come back here and continue watching this video. So let's begin. So here we have one notification service class, and this class is responsible for sending notifications, okay? And the send method of this class takes an instance of object who follows this contract. And the name of contract is iNotification. And what is this contract? Let's see. The contract says all the classes that follows this contract or implements this contract must have send method to send notification. Okay. So apart from notification service, we have push notification class. And what is the purpose of this class? The purpose of this class is to send push notification. And you can see over here that this class implements iNotification interface, which means this class is following this contract, okay? And if I scroll down, you will see that you will find the send method. So as this class implements this contract, it is must to have send method inside of this class, okay? Now, if you look at this push notification class, you will see that there are three properties of this class. One is subject, body, and the badge, okay? And all of these are the method to get and set these properties, okay? Now, let's move on to the next class. The next class is email notification, and this class also follows this contract and implements iNotification interface, okay? And this class also has few properties that are subject, body, and attachment, okay? As we can send attachment using emails, right? And below this we have some methods like get subject, set subject, get body, and set body to set and get all the attributes. And below you will see that there is one method send, which is used to send email notification, okay? I hope this is clear to you. Now moving on to next class, that is SMS notification. And what is the purpose of this class? Using this class we can send SMS notification, and you can see that this class also implements iNotification interface. Now this class also has some properties like subject, body, and contains OTP, which tells that whether this SMS contains OTP or not. And below these attributes we have all the methods which are responsible for setting and getting all of these properties. And below all of these methods we have send method, which is used to send SMS notification to any user or customer. So guys, these are all the classes, and this is the interface we are using in this demo. So guys, if you properly observe all of these classes, you will see that all of these classes has some common properties. And these are subject and body, okay? So push notification class also has subject and body. Email notification class has also subject and body, and SMS notification class has also subject and body. So which means that this information is redundant among all the classes. So because of redundancy, we may face issues in future, because redundancy always kills productivity and effectiveness. So let me show you what is the problem that we may face in future. So let's say I want to remove this body attribute from all the notification classes. So for that I have to delete from here, okay? I have to delete from this push notification class, and I have to also delete all the methods that are pertaining to body attribute, right? Then again I have to go to email notification, then delete this body attribute from here, and also delete both the methods of body from here. Then I have to go to SMS notification, delete this body attribute, and then also delete the method that are pertaining to body attribute. So don't you think this is a redundant task? It is consuming a lot of time, right? And let's imagine that if we have multiple classes or 10 or 20 classes, then I have to go to all the 10 and 20 classes to make this change. So which means this is not a good idea to put redundant code in all the classes. Now let's see the next problem. So let's say I want to add some new property. Let's say public string and subtitle. Okay, so again I have to add subtitle to push notification class. Then I have to create two methods for setting and getting the subtitle. Then I have to go to email notification, add one attribute here, and then I have to add two methods for getting and setting the subtitle. And similarly, I have to go to SMS notification to add this attribute and then create new methods for setting and getting the subtitle. So again, I am doing a lot of work. Why? Because of the redundancy. So you can see over here is the same code exists in all the three classes. And due to these, we are putting a lot of effort in maintaining all of these classes. So guys, we have a solution to this problem. And this is where inheritance of object-oriented programming comes into picture. So guys, how inheritance is going to help us to get rid of all the redundant code? Let me show you. So in order to remove all the redundancy from all the classes, what do? We are going to create a new class, and the name of that class is notification. Okay, notification. And this class is going to be the parent class of all of these classes. Okay, let's move this class aside. Okay, so what do? We are going to take out all the common properties from all the classes. Let's remove everything from here, and let's keep badge here because badge is a specific feature of push notification. Okay, and move all the common properties from push notification class to notification class. So let's remove this badge from here. Let's put it back here. Okay, now let's remove body and subject from here and let's paste it here. So now we have removed all the common properties from push notification class, and we are keeping only the properties that are specific to push notification, and that is a badge property. Okay, similarly, what do? We are going to remove this subject and body from email notification class, and let's remove this subject and body method from this class also. So now this class also has one attribute, that is attachment, and this attachment is specific to email notification class because we can send attachment using emails, and we can send number of badge using push notification, right? Whenever you receive push notification, you see that there is a badge on top of app icon, that how many notification you have. Okay, similarly, let's go to SMS notification class, and this class also has some common attributes. So let's remove it, and let's remove the methods of subject and body from this class. So now this class is also getting cleaned. So you can see that this class has only one attribute, that is contains OTP, and this is specific to SMS notification. So now if you look at all the classes, you will see that all the classes looks very clean now. Okay, because we have removed all the redundant code from all the classes into the notification class. Now this class has all the attributes and behavior that are common to all the classes. Okay, now the question over here is how to use these attributes and behavior in these classes. Okay, so this is where we are going to use the concept of inheritance in object-oriented programming. And the concept of inheritance says that you can reuse the common behavior in all the classes using inheritance. Okay, so how do we implement inheritance? We have to simply use extend keyword, okay, to use all the common properties and behavior of the parent class. So let's write extend notification. Okay, similarly, let's go to email notification class, extend notification, and let's go to SMS notification, and here also we are extending notification. So guys, do you realize what is happening over here? Now this notification class is acting as a parent class of push notification class, email notification class, and SMS notification class. Now this class do not need to worry about the common properties like subject and body. Rather, it can simply focus on the functionalities that are specific to these classes. For example, for push notification, the specific functionality is set badge or get badge. For email notification, the specific property is attachment, and for SMS notification, the specific property is contains OTP. So this is how, using inheritance, we get rid of all the redundant code so that it becomes very easy to maintain the software. Now if you want to add any new attribute that are common to all the classes, you do not have to go to all the classes to add the attribute. You can simply add new attributes over here, public, string, subtitle, okay, and you are good to go. and all the classes that inherits this class or extend this class have access to this attribute. As simple as that. And similarly, let's say you want to remove some attributes. Let's say you want to remove this body attribute from here. You can simply delete from here, delete the method, and you are good to go. You do not have to go to all the classes and remove these attributes from all the classes, right? So guys, what do you think? What is the main idea behind the inheritance? If you know that inheritance is all about hierarchies, then maybe this is not a right answer. So actually the purpose of inheritance is code reuse, right? So before we had a redundant code in push notification class, email notification class and SMS notification class, and we are using the same code over all the classes. So what we did? So we removed all the redundant code from all of these classes and put it inside some another class so that we can reuse these common attributes or properties or behavior in all the classes and using inheritance. So in inheritance, this class becomes the parent class, which has all the common properties and behavior, and this class and all of these class behaving as a child class, which has specific properties pertaining to push notification, email notification and SMS notification. So this is how inheritance relies on the principle of abstraction. And using inheritance, we gain the ability to abstract away low-level details to the parent class so that subclass can focus on high-level details only, right? So this is what we are doing, that low-level details are now being served from the parent class, and push notification, email notification class and SMS notification class has only high-level details that are specific to this class. And remember one thing, that whenever we use inheritance, we have to use extends keyword and then mention the parent class from which we want to access all the common properties and behavior. Okay. Now if we go to the main.java class, we have object of push notification, email notification, SMS notification, and then we are sending notification using all the three classes. Now let's run the program and it will work absolutely fine. You can see that we are sending push notification, we are sending email notification, and then we are sending SMS notification. So guys, ultimately the idea of inheritance is code reuse, not the hierarchies. Always remember. So whenever you have redundant code, make sure to refactor your code and create a new class and put all your redundant code into that class and make that class as a parent of all the classes. So guys, this is all from my side for this video. If you learned something valuable from this video, then hit the like button in order to make YouTube algorithm happy. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so my friend you never miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.